Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Wilcox, Saskatchewan. Wilcox has a history that reflects the pioneering spirit of early settlers who came to this part of Canada in search of new opportunities. The town was named in honor of a local priest, Father Edward J. Wilcox, who played a significant role in the community's development. Over the years, Wilcox has become well known for its educational institutions, particularly the Athol Murray College of Notre Dame, which has attracted students from all over the world. This has given the town a diverse and vibrant atmosphere, blending the charm of rural Saskatchewan with a global perspective. Whether you're visiting the town's historic sites or enjoying the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape, Wilcox offers a warm and welcoming experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Wilcox, Saskatchewan.